10 mouth-watering dishes from around the world you can make at home. 1. Hey, food lovers! Are you ready to take your taste buds on an incredible journey around the globe without leaving your kitchen? Today, we're diving into 10 mouth-watering dishes from different countries that you can easily make at home. Whether you're an amateur or a seasoned cook, these international recipes will transport you to the heart of global cuisine. So, grab your apron, and let's get cooking. Quote. 2 dish 1 Spanish paella served in a traditional pan. 3. First up, we have the classic Spanish paella. This vibrant rice dish is brimming with saffron, seafood, and veggies. To make it, sauté some onions, garlic, bell peppers in olive oil, add arborio rice, pour some broth, and toss in your choice of seafood. It's like a fiesta in a pan. Quote. 4. To make Spanish paella, a classic and flavorful dish from Spain, you will need the following ingredients. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1 onion, chopped. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 red bell pepper, sliced. 1 yellow bell pepper, sliced. 1 cup arborio rice, short grain rice. 1 teaspoon saffron threads. 1 teaspoon smoked paprika. 4 cups chicken or vegetable broth. 1 pound chicken thighs, cut into pieces. 1/2 pound chorizo sausage, sliced. 1 pound jumbo shrimp, peeled and deveined. 1/2 cup frozen peas. Lemon wedges for serving. Salt and pepper to taste. Optional. Mussels, clams, squid, artichokes, and/or parsley for garnish. Instructions. In a large paella pan or skillet, heat olive oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onion, minced garlic, and sliced bell peppers. Cook until softened. Stir in the arborio rice, saffron threads, and smoked paprika, coating the rice with the oil and spices. Pour in the chicken or vegetable broth and bring to a simmer. Arrange the chicken pieces and chorizo slices on top of the rice mixture. Cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally and adding more broth if needed, until the rice is almost cooked. Nestle the jumbo shrimp and frozen peas into the rice mixture, cover the pan, and cook for an additional 5 to 10 minutes, or until the shrimp are pink and cooked through. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Optional. Garnish the Spanish paella with additional seafood, artichokes, and parsley. Serve the paella hot with lemon wedges on the side for squeezing over the dish. Spanish paella is a vibrant and delicious dish that captures the essence of Spanish cuisine. Enjoy this flavorful and satisfying meal with family and friends. Buen provecho. Dish 2. A close-up of a bowl of Italian pasta. Next, let's say ciao to Italian carbonara. With just pasta, eggs, parmesan, and pancetta, you can whip up this creamy delight in no time. Just remember, no cream here. The magic happens with the heat of the pasta cooking the eggs to create that silky sauce. Buon appetito! To make Italian carbonara, a classic pasta dish from Italy, you will need the following ingredients. 1 pound spaghetti or bucatini pasta. 4 ounces pancetta or guanciale, diced. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 2 large eggs. 1 cup grated pecorino romano cheese. 1/2 cup grated Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. Black pepper, freshly ground. Salt to taste. Fresh parsley, chopped for garnish. Instructions. Cook the pasta in a large pot of salted boiling water according to the package instructions until al dente. Reserve about 1 cup of pasta water before draining the pasta. In a skillet, cook the diced pancetta or guanciale over medium heat until it is crispy and browned. Add the minced garlic and cook for another minute, being careful not to burn the garlic. In a bowl, whisk together the eggs, grated pecorino romano cheese, grated Parmigiano Reggiano cheese, and a generous amount of freshly ground black pepper. Remove the skillet from heat and add the cooked pasta to the pancetta and garlic mixture. Toss to combine. Slowly pour the egg and cheese mixture over the hot pasta, stirring quickly to coat the pasta evenly. The heat from the pasta will cook the eggs and create a creamy sauce. If needed, add some of the reserved pasta water to loosen the sauce. Season with salt to taste and continue to toss the pasta until well coated and creamy. Serve the Italian carbonara hot, garnished with additional black pepper, grated cheese, and chopped parsley. Italian carbonara is a simple yet indulgent pasta dish that highlights the rich and savory flavors of the pancetta and cheese. Enjoy this classic Italian favorite with a glass of wine and good company. Buon appetito! Dish 3. A colorful Indian curry is stirred. Traveling over to India, we find the beloved chickpea curry or chana masala. This rich, flavorful dish is made by simmering chickpeas in a spicy tomato sauce with garam masala, garlic, and ginger. Serve it hot with basmati rice or naan for that authentic touch. To make chickpea curry, a flavorful and nutritious dish, you will need the following ingredients. 1 can of chickpeas, drained and rinsed. 1 onion, finely chopped. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon of ginger, grated. 1 can of diced tomatoes. 1 can of coconut milk. 1 tablespoon of curry powder. 1 teaspoon of cumin. 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Salt and pepper to taste. Fresh cilantro for garnish. Cooked rice or naan bread for serving. Instructions. In a large skillet or pot, heat some oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and cook until softened. Add the minced garlic and grated ginger, and cook for another minute until fragrant. Stir in the curry powder, cumin, and turmeric, and cook for a minute to toast the spices. Add the diced tomatoes and coconut milk to the pot, stirring to combine. Add the drained and rinsed chickpeas to the pot, stirring to coat them in the curry mixture. Simmer the chickpea curry for about 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld together and the sauce to thicken. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve the chickpea curry hot over cooked rice or with naan bread. Garnish with fresh cilantro. Chickpea curry is a delicious and comforting dish that is perfect for a vegetarian meal. Enjoy the fragrant spices and creamy coconut milk in this hearty curry. Bon appetit! Dish 4. Tacos being assembled. How about some street food magic? Let's recreate Mexican tacos. With soft corn tortillas, seasoned meat or beans, and fresh toppings like cilantro and lime, you can create tacos that will have your friends asking for seconds. Customize them to your heart's desire. To make Mexican tacos, a popular and versatile dish, you will need the following ingredients. 1 pound of ground beef or protein of your choice, such as chicken, pork, or tofu. 1 onion, finely chopped. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon of taco seasoning, or a mixture of cumin, chili powder, paprika, and oregano. Salt and pepper to taste. Taco shells or tortillas. Toppings such as shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, shredded cheese, salsa, guacamole, sour cream, and lime wedges. Instructions. In a skillet, cook the ground beef over medium heat until it is browned and cooked through. Add the chopped onion and minced garlic to the skillet, cooking until the onion is softened. Stir in the taco seasoning, or your own spice blend, and season with salt and pepper to taste. Cook for a few more minutes to allow the flavors to meld. Warm the taco shells or tortillas according to the package instructions. Fill each taco shell or tortilla with the cooked meat mixture. Top the tacos with your choice of toppings, such as shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, shredded cheese, salsa, guacamole, sour cream, and a squeeze of lime juice. Serve the Mexican tacos hot and enjoy the delicious flavors and textures. Mexican tacos are a fun and customizable dish that can be enjoyed with various fillings and toppings. Gather your favorite ingredients and create a taco bar for a festive and delicious meal. Buen provecho. Dish 5. A steaming bowl of Japanese ramen. Is there anything more comforting than a bowl of Japanese ramen? Use homemade broth or store-bought for convenience. Add noodles, soft-boiled eggs, and your favorite toppings like green onions, nori, and bamboo shoots. A bowl of ramen equals a hug in a dish. To make Japanese ramen, a delicious and comforting noodle soup, you will need the following ingredients. Ramen noodles. Chicken, pork, or vegetable broth. Sliced pork belly or chicken chashu. Soft-boiled eggs. Bamboo shoots, menma. Nori seaweed. Green onions, chopped. Soy sauce. Mirin. Miso paste, for miso ramen. Sesame oil. Optional toppings. Corn, bean sprouts, mushrooms, fish cakes. Instructions. Prepare the broth by simmering your choice of protein, chicken, pork, or vegetables, with water, soy sauce, mirin, and any other desired seasonings for a few hours to develop flavor. Cook the ramen noodles according to the package instructions, then drain and set aside. In a separate pot, heat up the broth and adjust the seasoning to taste. In a serving bowl, place the cooked ramen noodles. Add the hot broth to the bowl, covering the noodles. Arrange the sliced pork belly or chicken chashu, soft-boiled eggs, bamboo shoots, nori seaweed, and green onions on top of the noodles. Drizzle with a little sesame oil for added flavor. Serve the Japanese ramen hot and enjoy the rich and flavorful broth with the delicious toppings. Japanese ramen is a beloved dish that offers a variety of flavors and textures. Feel free to customize your ramen with your favorite ingredients and enjoy a comforting bowl of this iconic noodle soup. Itadakimasu. Dish 6. A platter of French crepes with fillings. Let's not forget about French crepes. These delicate pancakes can be sweet or savory. Just whisk together flour, milk, and eggs, and pour into a hot pan. Fill them with Nutella and strawberries or ham and cheese for a delightful breakfast or dessert. Quote. For French crepes, a classic and versatile dish, you will need the following ingredients. 1 cup all-purpose flour. 2 eggs. 1 cup milk. 1/4 cup water. 2 tablespoons melted butter. Pinch of salt. Butter or oil for cooking. Fillings such as Nutella, fresh fruits, whipped cream, jam, or savory options like cheese and ham. Instructions. In a mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, eggs, milk, water, melted butter, and a pinch of salt until the batter is smooth and free of lumps. Let the batter rest for about 30 minutes to allow it to thicken slightly. Heat a non-stick skillet or crepe pan over medium heat and lightly grease it with butter or oil. Pour a small amount of batter into the pan, swirling it around to evenly coat the bottom. Cook for about 1 to 2 minutes until the edges start to lift. Carefully flip the crepe using a spatula and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes on the other side until lightly golden. Repeat with the remaining batter, stacking the cooked crepes on a plate. Fill the crepes with your desired sweet or savory fillings. Fold the crepes into quarters or roll them up and serve warm. French crepes are a delightful treat that can be enjoyed for breakfast, dessert, or as a snack. Get creative with your fillings and savor the thin and delicate texture of these versatile pancakes. Bon appetit! Dish 7. A vibrant Thai green curry. Heading to Thailand, we can't miss out on green curry. Made with fresh vegetables, coconut milk, and aromatic spices, this dish packs flavor and freshness. Serve with jasmine rice, and you'll have a dish that's sure to impress. Quote. To make green curry, a fragrant and flavorful Thai dish, you will need the following ingredients. 1 can of green curry paste. 1 can of coconut milk. 1 pound of chicken, shrimp, tofu, or vegetables. Thai eggplant, bamboo shoots, bell peppers, or any desired vegetables. Fish sauce, sugar, kaffir lime leaves, fresh Thai basil leaves, fresh red or green chili peppers, optional for extra heat. Cooked rice for serving. Instructions. In a pot or wok, heat a portion of the coconut milk over medium heat until it starts to bubble. Add the green curry paste and stir fry until fragrant. Add your choice of protein, chicken, shrimp, tofu, and cook until it is almost done. Pour in the remaining coconut milk and bring the mixture to a simmer. Add the vegetables, such as Thai eggplant, bamboo shoots, and bell peppers, and simmer until they are tender. Season the curry with fish sauce and sugar to taste. Tear the kaffir lime leaves and add them to the curry, along with the Thai basil leaves. If you prefer extra heat, add sliced chili peppers. Simmer the curry for a few more minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. Serve the green curry hot over cooked rice. Green curry is a popular Thai dish known for its aromatic herbs and spices. Enjoy the creamy and spicy flavors of this dish with a side of rice for a satisfying meal. Then Thieng Hai Xrxc Na Ka. Dish 8. An overhead shot of a vibrant Greek salad. Next is the refreshingly simple Greek salad. With juicy tomatoes, cucumbers, olives, and feta cheese, all drizzled with olive oil and oregano, this dish is perfect for any occasion. It's healthy, colorful, and tasty. Quote. To make a fresh and vibrant Greek salad, a classic dish from Greece, you will need the following ingredients. Ripe tomatoes, chopped. Cucumber, sliced. Red onion, thinly sliced. Kalamata olives, pitted. Feta cheese, crumbled. Fresh oregano, chopped. Extra virgin olive oil. Red wine vinegar. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. In a large salad bowl, combine the chopped tomatoes, sliced cucumbers, thinly sliced red onions, and pitted Kalamata olives. Sprinkle the crumbled feta cheese over the salad ingredients. Drizzle the extra virgin olive oil and red wine vinegar over the salad. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Toss the salad gently to combine all the ingredients and coat them with the dressing. Garnish the Greek salad with freshly chopped oregano for a burst of flavor. Greek salad is a refreshing and healthy dish that showcases the bright flavors of the Mediterranean. Enjoy this colorful salad as a side dish or add grilled chicken or lamb to make it a complete meal. Kale Arex. Dish 9A. Bubbling Moroccan Tagine. Let's venture to Morocco with a hearty chicken tagine. Slow cooked with preserved lemons, olives, and a mix of spices, this dish bursts with flavor. Serve it with couscous for a filling and aromatic meal. To make chicken tagine, a flavorful Moroccan dish cooked in a traditional earthenware pot, you will need the following ingredients. Chicken pieces, such as thighs or drumsticks. Olive oil. Onion, chopped. Garlic, minced. Ground cumin. Ground cinnamon. Ground ginger. Ground turmeric. Ground coriander. Saffron threads, optional. Chicken broth. Lemon, sliced. Green olives. Preserved lemons, optional. Fresh cilantro, chopped. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. In a tagine or a large skillet, heat olive oil over medium heat. Brown the chicken pieces on all sides until they are golden. Remove and set aside. In the same pot, sauté the chopped onion and minced garlic until they are softened. Add the ground cumin, cinnamon, ginger, turmeric, and coriander to the pot, stirring to toast the spices. Return the browned chicken pieces to the pot. Add saffron threads, if using. Pour in enough chicken broth to cover the chicken, then add slices of lemon, green olives, and preserved lemons if available. Cover the tagine or pot and simmer gently until the chicken is cooked through and tender. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Garnish the chicken tagine with chopped fresh cilantro before serving. Chicken tagine is a fragrant and rich dish that combines savory and sweet flavors with tender chicken and aromatic spices. Serve the tagine with couscous or crusty bread to soak up the flavorful sauce. Enjoy this Moroccan specialty. Bon appétit! Dish 10. Freshly baked baklava drizzled in honey. And for dessert, let's indulge in some baklava. This flaky pastry, filled with nuts and honey, is incredibly easy to make at home. Layer phyllo dough, sprinkle nuts, and bake until golden for a sweet ending to your culinary journey. To make baklava, a delicious and sweet pastry of Turkish origin, you will need the following ingredients. Phyllo dough. Walnuts, pistachios, or a combination of nuts, finely chopped. Unsalted butter, melted. Ground cinnamon. Ground cloves. Sugar. Water, honey. Lemon juice. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius, and grease a baking dish. In a bowl, mix together the finely chopped nuts with cinnamon, cloves, and sugar. Place a sheet of phyllo dough in the baking dish and brush it with melted butter. Repeat with several more layers, brushing each layer with butter. Sprinkle a layer of the nut mixture over the phyllo. Continue layering phyllo and nuts, brushing each layer with butter, until all the nut mixture is used. Cut the baklava into diamond or square shapes using a sharp knife. Bake the baklava in the preheated oven until golden and crispy, about 45 to 50 minutes. While the baklava is baking, prepare the syrup by combining water, sugar, honey, and lemon juice in a saucepan. Simmer until the sugar is dissolved and the syrup thickens slightly. When the baklava is done, remove it from the oven and immediately pour the hot syrup over the hot pastry. Allow the baklava to cool and absorb the syrup before serving. Baklava is a rich and indulgent dessert that is perfect for special occasions or as a sweet treat. Enjoy the layers of crispy phyllo dough, sweet nut filling, and aromatic syrup in every bite. Afiyet olsun. There you have it, 10 mouth-watering dishes from around the world that you can make at home. So what are you waiting for? Click on the links in the description for the detailed recipes, and start your global culinary adventure today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more delicious content. Happy cooking!